There are other generators on the market that look similar, but when you take a closer look, the differences may surprise you. For example, Aurora generators meets and exceeds UL and CSA standards. It was a result of rigorous testing for performance, safety, and electrical compliance for both Canadian and American electrical codes that has earned Aurora portable diesel generators ETL certification. Other generators like this do not have any such approval or certification, nor do those other manufacturers have any recognized testing laboratory backing up their products. Electrical approval, by the way, is not only preferred, but it's also a legal requirement in many jurisdictions and job sites. Now there are two types of portable diesel generators to choose from. The enclosed one is a lot quieter. This is because it uses two mufflers and a catalytic converter, or a diesel oxidation catalyst. It's also responsible for removing up to 90% of the particulate matter in the exhaust. The open frame generator also has one built into the muffler, but as you can see here, it is much smaller. At the end, both generators do the same job, but the enclosed one is a lot quieter and it weighs more. However, it does come with this remote control. The remote control allows you to automatically start and stop the generator from a distance. Another important difference between an Aurora generator and others is that on others you are forced to select between a 120 volt outlet or the 240 volt outlet. They will not let you use both at the same time. Since the 120 volt outlet is limited to 20 amps, that only equals 2400 watts maximum, so you can't use those other generators to their full potential. This is not the case with Aurora generators, as you can use all the outlets at the same time. For example, each pair of outlets on these generators are fused at 20 amps. You can draw a total of 40 amps. This outlet here is for 240 volts. It's rated at 30 amps. If you don't exceed the limits of the generator, you can use them all at the same time. Here is something else to consider. If you're going to use sensitive electronics with your generator, then you'll like the fact that Aurora uses an automatic voltage regulator. Other generators just use a 2-wire capacitor like this one. These are not voltage regulators, and as they get old, they fail. The automatic voltage regulator is very fast to respond to changes in load and ensures the output voltage stays as stable as possible. You can also adjust the output voltage of your generator yourself. The digital multimeter shows you exactly what the output voltage is. Also important is frequency. Having exactly 60 Hz is often necessary. Only Aurora generators lets you adjust this so you can see it on the multimeter. With others, you have no idea what your output is. Now, starting a generator in cold weather should never be this difficult, unless you own one of those other generators. These generators have a cold weather starting kit installed. When you remove the air filter, you can see the heater inside. This is an element that gets red hot, warms up the air, and makes a huge difference in starting. You turn it on by the switch. Simply hold it down for a few moments, and then start normally. Many ask to see these generators running under load. So here we have a 10,000 BTU air conditioner and a 500 watt video light. There are a few things to watch here. One is that when the air conditioner is turned on and off, the video light does not flicker. This shows that the generator is more than capable of handling this size load and maintaining a constant output voltage. Again, this is thanks to the automatic voltage regulator that is used. The same test is done here using the enclosed diesel generator. Now I'd like to point out one more thing. See this hatch? It's like a hood on a car. It lets you access the top of the engine where the fuel injector and decompression lever is. Other generators don't have any access from the top, making use and any future service very difficult. As you've seen here, there are many important things that make Aurora generators stand out above the rest. There are also many not so obvious differences, like our solid rubber wheels, better quality engine mounts, UL approved battery, higher quality battery charge controller, and the overall quality of the materials that go into making these generators. We hope you visit our website to learn more about our products. On our website, you'll find online owner's manuals, a parts store, and read what others have to say in our discussion forums or generator reviews. Thanks for watching.